Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile BANGE 35L carry-on backpack, a travel essential designed for both men and women that seamlessly transitions from a compact 22-liter daypack to a spacious 35-liter travel companion with just a simple zip and buckle expansion. This airline-approved backpack is perfect for 3 to 5 day trips, featuring multiple compartments to organize your belongings, including a main pocket that fits up to 8 pieces of clothing, a wet pouch for liquids, and a dedicated 17-inch laptop compartment with padded protection. With its built-in USB charging port, you can conveniently charge your devices on the go by simply connecting your power bank inside the bag, making it ideal for business trips, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. Crafted from waterproof Oxford material, this backpack ensures your items stay dry, while the reinforced shoulder and handle joints provide durability and comfort for long-term use. Its 180-degree opening and luggage sleeve make airport security checks a breeze, allowing you to slide it over your luggage handle or stow it in the overhead bin or under your seat with ease. The BANGE 35L backpack combines functionality with style, featuring smooth, explosion-proof zippers and a thoughtful design that caters to all your travel needs. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a business trip, this backpack is your reliable travel partner, offering convenience, durability, and ample storage in one sleek package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.